Most people download Rewarded Play, expecting easy money overnight. But here's the truth no one tells you. Whether Rewarded Play is actually worth it depends completely on your expectations and how you use the app. In this video, I'll break down exactly whether Rewarded Play is worth using in 2026. We'll talk about realistic earnings, who should use it, who probably shouldn't, and the biggest mistakes that stop users from getting decent rewards. Let's get straight into it. Rewarded Play is a mobile rewards app that gives users points for playing games. Those points can later be redeemed for gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, Visa, and Google Play rewards. The biggest reason people like the app is simple. Instead of filling out endless surveys, you earn rewards while playing games on your phone. Now here's where it gets interesting. Rewarded Play works best for casual gamers who already spend time playing mobile games daily. For example, Alex from Florida already played puzzle and strategy games during his free time. Once he started using Rewarded Play, he turned some of that gaming time into extra gift cards, without changing his normal habits much. But here's the problem. Many users expect the app to replace a real job or generate large daily income. That's not realistic. This is where most people fail. They go into reward apps expecting fast cash instead of slow, consistent rewards. In a minute, I'll show you the exact type of person who usually gets the best results with Rewarded Play. One major advantage is simplicity. The app is beginner-friendly, easy to navigate, and doesn't overwhelm users with complicated systems. Another positive is the variety of games available. Depending on your region, you may find puzzle games, card games, casino-style apps, or strategy games with different reward opportunities. Jake from Texas tested Rewarded Play casually for 1 month. Instead of grinding non-stop, he played during lunch breaks and evenings, and redeemed a few gift cards over time. Now here's where it gets even more important. Rewarded Play rewards consistency more than intensity. Users who play regularly for short sessions often perform better than people who try to rush through games in one day. But there are downsides too. Earnings can slow down over time, especially after completing the highest-paying milestones in certain games. Some users also become frustrated when they choose low-paying games without realizing better offers exist. Another thing to understand is device compatibility. Rewarded Play is primarily designed for Android users, so iPhone users may have fewer options or limited availability. And remember this. If you dislike mobile gaming completely, Rewarded Play probably won't feel worth your time. The app works best when the games themselves are already entertaining for you. Another mistake people make is using fake accounts, VPNs, or cheating methods. Rewarded Play monitors suspicious activity closely, and violating the rules can lead to account restrictions or lost rewards. So here's the honest answer. Rewarded Play is worth it in 2026 for casual gamers who want extra gift cards during their free time. It's legitimate, beginner-friendly, and still paying users. But it's not a full-time income source, and patience matters. If you already use Rewarded Play, comment below with your biggest gift card redemption so far. And if this honest breakdown helped you decide whether the app is worth trying, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real online earning reviews and tutorials.